Success of your project or entrepreneurship life depends on this equation: how much you can offer and how much you can ask back. The gap or ratio between giving and asking back is more bigger. That means more you can give, the better chance and more you're going to be successful in your entrepreneurship life. So how you can do that? So the question of beauty is how you can really give more and ask less. How you can offer more value than what the value you ask back. So to make a great equation like this, to giving more values and asking less value back in return, you need to have a great processing in the middle. So to create that processing engine to create more value and which require less value of return for you, is you need a skill set, you need a mindset, you need an idea, and you need a team. So these are the four things. And when you have all of those four, then in the next phase you come into how you can put all this thing together and make it work very efficiently and effectively. So that is where the success of become entrepreneurship of any project development come into place. So that is why in RASE scholarship program, we entirely focus about those four things. Those four things where we teach and show our every youth scholars about how you can turn your idea, test your idea by in a paper first, and then you start to bring it out how you can build attraction around your idea, and you can testify it as well too, and how you can build the leadership, how you can get a team and prepare yourself for a real life implementation. So that basically it's a 3 months of program where you have zero and you can end up having a project ready for real implementations to go to the next phase of piloting and testing and so on. So that is what give you a mindset, a skill set, and a team, and also a roughly tested idea. So that is the beauty of RASE scholarships. So if you are thinking about building something on your way, if you're a student or you are an entrepreneur, or maybe you're an employee of a company, but you want to build something on your side away as a project to make impact or make your futures or make it for a family, RASE is the program for you, where it's going to give you that fourth thing and which will get you ready to start executing into that one too. So again, in summary, if you want to be successful in your project, you have to find the process of ratio to giving more value and asking less in return, because that is what make you a successful entrepreneur, or you will make your project successful as well too. So start thinking about how you can do that, and when you can do that one, you have to focus about those four skills: mindset, skill, idea, and team. And then is going to be your art of beauty, how you can put together. And that's why we show in RASE program all these things with 4 parts and how you can put together to make a real life projects. So if you're aiming for building something, apply for RASE scholarships, and we'll love to show you and we'll happy to see your projects in real life, creating impacts, solving problem. All the best.